What's up guys, we've got the keyword breakdowns for this month's edition of Online Biz Monthly to do. I'm here actually wearing my glasses for once so I can see what I'm doing. I've got my laptop in front of me and I'm going to break down 6-7 keywords for you that were sent in by people, by readers of the first edition. I'm going to show you what I see, so you're watching on my screen luckily. You're going to see what I see when I look at these products, what I see when I do the keyword research for those. I'm going to tell you whether I think these are good keywords or not, based solely on the keyword competitiveness. So I'm not looking into like the buyer intent behind it. I'm not looking into how good the affiliate programs are. So it's just pure keyword research, what I think of these. So first one on the list that was sent in is Red Burner Review. It's a supplement by Red Supplements of Victor Pride. I think Chris from Good Looking Losers no longer in the company. I actually know this product, I know the company, because I wrote some reviews for them myself way back in the day, and those are still actually ranking here, number 3. And yeah, I've got multiple of the top 10 listings here, which I guess already answers the question of whether this is a good keyword to rank for. I rank with my old blog plus with a niche site on this page, so make up your own opinion whether you think this is an easy one or not, just based on that. So let's look at the metrics. So the first article has pretty high domain authority, pretty good page authority as well. That looks like a strong page. So if they were all like this, then you'd struggle to rank. Let's actually see what the article's like, if it's any good or if it's just like a... Yeah, it looks okay. Looks like a fairly detailed review, what it's about, ingredients and all that. This is a good review. This is a good review to model after as well. Sometimes you click on the link and the website has high domain authority, but like the article isn't actually about the product, or it's not just not a detailed review. And even though those sites have high domain authority, they're easy to outrank. This is not one of those cases. So the first site looks solid. After that, we've got a redsupplementreviews.com. That sounds like a wonderful niche site domain. Domain authority 5, tiny little niche site. Very good sign for us if this one's ranking number 2. Up next, we've got good old Red Pill Reviews. Domain authority 23, still below the 30 mark, which is what I say I look for. Like I count, or my team counts, the number of websites with domain authority below 30 when doing this type of keyword research. And we add in stuff like social sites, Reddit forums that have high domain authority but aren't actually strong sites, and we add in sites that aren't optimized. So that's basically what we're counting. We're counting the number of weak or beatable sites in the top 10. That's what we're kind of doing when we do this research. So domain authority 23, you can absolutely beat that. Dietspotlight.com, domain authority 58, that looks like a strong site. Again, you'd want to check out how good the review is. Here we've got domain authority 7, easily beatable. YouTube videos. The cool thing here is the YouTube videos are quite far down the page. Sometimes you'll find them across like the top here, and they'll eat up a lot of the clicks that of the search volume. Like a lot of it will go to those YouTube videos, which is not good for you if you've got an article down here. For those reviews that have like YouTube videos plastered across the top, I would look into doing YouTube video reviews basically. So yes, write an article, but make sure you've got a video up on YouTube as well to try and get some of those clicks. YouTube videos down here, that's a slight positive, but basically neutral. Like it's a slight negative if you've got them up here, but that's not a deal breaker in my eyes. Down here we've got Amazon, so high domain authority, but this isn't actually the right product. This is a different product. So there are so few good articles about Red Burner Review, the keyword, that they show a different product that just happens to have the word red and probably supplement in it. So that's a very, very good sign. You can beat Amazon because Amazon aren't writing reviews. You can often beat Amazon for review keywords even if it's like the correct product. If it's not even the correct product that they're selling, then that's a very good sign in my eyes. Another one, Amazon, good sign to have that on here. John Doe Bodybuilding, domain authority 30. That's like right on the brink of becoming like a slightly more established site, but it's still like pretty much beatable. Yeah, I mean, you see it's down here, like second bottom listing, at least for me. You may get like a different order. It depends what you've clicked on in the past. I don't know exactly what goes into the Google algorithm, nobody knows, but you may not get like the exact same ranking. So like maybe Red Supplement Reviews is number 1, maybe Red Pill Reviews ranks higher, lower, whatever. So they can change a little bit, but just go based on what you see here and assume that's more or less what everyone sees. So basically we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 sites on the front page with domain authority 30 or lower, or like those Amazon reviews that I count as a good sign as well. So we've got 7 good signs out of 10. That's a very, very good keyword in terms of being able to rank for it. And if you're considering getting into this niche, I would recommend it. It's not a big money niche. The search volume is fairly low, I can tell you just from personal experience, but also the commission for Red Burner isn't great. But in terms of being able to rank for it, the keyword looks pretty good. So I can tell you from personal experience, it's not a huge money keyword, but in terms of being able to rank for it, this is a good keyword. This is what you're looking for when you're trying to rank for a product. Again, here the last one I actually forgot to talk about, Red Burner by Red Supplements. It fairly low domain authority, but the more important part here is the fact that it's not actually a product review. Like that's, I think, just the product itself. So you can outrank that easily because you're writing a review, and if the keyword is Red Burner review, then you're going to outrank just like a Red Burner page. So that's pretty much it for this first keyword breakdown. I'm going to split these into separate videos. So yeah, catch me in the next one. I hope you do watch, if you're into niche sites, you do watch a couple of these. Like you don't need to watch all of them because it might become a little repetitive, but I promise to do them all, so I'm going to do them all for whoever sent them in. But I do think you're going to learn something if you watch these videos, even if it isn't your keyword. So that's all for the first one, and I'll see you in that next one.